Now this is my kind of weather. I don't have to worry about melting.
Chewy, you don't ever have to worry about melting.
Because it's nice and cool outside.
I wonder where everyone is.
Oh, the bag's alive!
Well, howdy do, Doc?
What were you two doing in there?
I wanted to make sure there were enough presents for all the kids.
That's very thoughtful of you.
Oh. Hello? There's someone in there.
That's just your echo, Chewy. So, were there enough presents for everyone?
I think so, but if not, I'd gladly give my collar to someone who needs it.
I'd gladly give my hat.
That's very sweet. But sometimes the best presents aren't the ones that are wrapped up or fit in a bag.
Like what, Doc?
Those are my favorite.
Share the joy. Help Toys for Tots deliver a new toy to children in need.
This is going to be the best holiday party we've ever had.
Look at all this amazing food.
This time of year is always full of sweets and treats. I'm stuffed just looking at them. That's because you are stuffed, Lammy. Oh, yeah. There are so many things to eat during the holidays, it's good to remember that there are plenty of healthy treats that taste great and are fun to eat.
Like this pie?
Not exactly. Let's see if you can pick the healthy choice.
I like a challenge.
A candy cane or a fruity cane made of strawberry and banana slices. Which one is a healthy choice when you're hungry and want something sweet?
I want to say candy, but I'm gonna pick the fruit.
You're right. That was easy. But what about this one?
My nose! Oh, it's still there.
One last healthy holiday challenge, and then we'll light up the tree. Which one of these is the healthy choice? Cookie trees or veggie trees? I say the veggies. That's right, Lammy. Now there's only one thing left to do.
I'm on it, Doc.
The dog is in and she'll fix you up. If you're a toy, then you're in luck. It's okay.